Welcome to Learn Sword and Tapping with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is Safety First. This article is related to तमिलनाडु। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि इस ईयर जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बारिश हुई है तमिलनाडु में, और उस डैम को, एक डैम है वहाँ पे, डैम का नेम है यहाँ पे आपका मुल्लापुरी डैम। ये आपका जो डैम है उसमें काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो गई हैं, उसी को लेकर ये आर्टिकल है। सेफ्टी फर्स्ट, तमिलनाडु मस्ट एश्योर केरला को एश्योर करना चाहिए दैट ऑल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स फॉर द मॉनिटरिंग द डैम सेफ्टी आर इन ए प्लेस। इसको हम डिटेल में डिक्टेशन करेंगे एट द रेट 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। The Supreme Court's direction on Monday to the Supervisory Committee for the Mullaperia Dam on the issue of the maximum water level has revived the controversy surrounding the dam. Located in Kerala, the water body is operated and maintained by Tamil Nadu to meet the water requirements of 5 of its southern districts. The order was issued while hearing a petition raising apprehensions about the supervision of water levels of the reservoir, especially during the rainy season. Kerala has also been experiencing unusually heavy spells of rain. During October 1825, the dam too received a substantial inflow. Despite the court's nod in 2014 to store water up to 140 feet, Tamil Nadu has been careful in drawing as much water as possible so that the level does not reach the permissible level ordinary. A few days ago, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan wrote to his Tamil Nadu counterpart M.K. Stalin, referring to the heavy rainfall in the catchment and emphasizing the urgent need for the gradual release of water. His letter should be viewed more as a note of caution than anything else. During a debate in the Assembly on Monday, Mr. Vijayan categorically stated that there was no threat to the dam and was also appreciative of the Tamil Nadu authorities, who he noted were highly empathetic to Kerala's demand. With camaraderie prevailing between the two states, Mr. Stalin and Mr. Vijayan would do well to send out a strong message that there is no room for passion and chauvinism on a technical and complex subject such as the operation and maintenance of Mullaperia stop. As the issue of dam safety is a recurrent one, it would be in the interests of all stakeholders that the remaining works to strengthen the dam are done at the earliest, for which the approval of the Kerala and central governments is required. Some sections in Kerala may argue that the completion of the works will only make the case of Tamil Nadu stronger in the context of its long-standing demand of raising the water level to the original 152 feet. But what needs to be kept in mind is that the works are meant to strengthen the dam. It has been suggested that Kerala give its permission a prerequisite for Tamil Nadu to get the center's clearances, while stating that this will not be prejudicial to its position on the issue. Tamil Nadu too should ensure that all the instruments for monitoring the safety and health of the dam are installed and are functioning properly. As there are sufficient scientific and technological tools to respond effectively to any legitimate and genuine concern, every player should adopt a rational approach while deciding on the strong levels and safety aspects of the dam. Full stop.